taking some Play-Doh or toys from home or pasta, form a big curve like this. This is for Katina Cat, and we take our closed fist and we brush it across our cheek and go k, k, k. Then we take our finger and go to the top of our shape and follow it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now, part of our other exercise is to talk about what are we wearing today. Talk about the word decorate. Have you decorated for Christmas? Walk around your home and make a plan if you haven't. Or use the word decorate. In our classroom, we have decorated for Christmas by putting up baby Jesus. Jesus is the light of the world. There is no doubt Jesus loves us. So many things are being done to prepare for the celebration of Jesus' birth. On the front door, I'll be placing Joseph, Mary, and baby Jesus there. So talk about what you wear right now to keep you warm. In the morning, I have on different layers, and if it gets above 70, I probably take 1 or 2 of those layers off. But I keep layers on so I can keep the heat off until you show up. And then when you do, then we'll have more heat in the classroom. But right now, I like it cool. Next, we're going to take a look at some objects, and I pick colors that can be in one group and in another, and we're going to work on counting them from left to right. This is also early addition skill because what we're doing is we're looking at one group and another group and counting them all together. So let's look to see how many we have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, if we look at just how many we have in one group, we can count 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. And we can go 1 or 3 and 2 is 5. If we do it as the kindergartners do, 3 plus 2 equals 5. Now, why don't we do it more with paper and pencil? Because right now, the goal is to make everything as hands-on and I can touch it and I can move it as possible, because that adheres it into our brain. Now, some of us have the ability to think beyond that and can look at a numeral and understand what it means. But right now, when you take a look at the sheets, one of them was, how do 4s think? And so much of our learning is with objects. Next row, we're going to take some blue and some red and count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, sometimes you might find that children, in their haste to count 1, 2, 3, 4, they skip an object. That happens often. You're so good at counting. Let's do that again, and let's slow it down. And sometimes their eyes are moving faster or their brain is moving faster than their fingers are. So some of it's that. There's a lot going on when you're touch counting and saying numbers. 1, 2, blue. 1, 2, 3, red. 2 and 3 are what? That's right. So review how to make Katina Cat. Practice counting different colored objects. And talk about wear and decorate. Oh, by the way, moms and dads, if you have tubes left over from paper towels or from wrapping paper, pass that on to school. I'll put it in quarantine for a couple of days, and then we might be using it for projects in the future. Thank you for your time.